Hey, hey, yeah. Special day, nigga. Let's go. Young nigga with them, say young nigga with that fit. Say young nigga with them shit. Young nigga like a rockstar. Young nigga.
What's up, guys? B Does NFL back with the third and final grand finale part.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Of this pack opening. Again, you can go back and check out the other videos. I ripped some Absolute 2020, ripped a box of Prism basketball, and I got 4 blasters of Illusions and 3 fat packs. So we'll start with the fat packs and then go through blasters. Be some of the longer video, but you know, if you like packs, hey, stick around.
How much time do you need?
I want an hour and a half.
First tune in, then stick around. I've never opened these before ever, so I'm really excited. We'll start with the fat packs, and looks like you get 20 cards. Got Tua and Dan Marino on the front. You guys can see all that? Oh, you're good. And I don't even know what we're really looking for in here. Yeah, I have no idea about these. See if I can't get the odds out there for you guys to see them. I know I see other people rip them. They look fun, man. So I know I'm tired of that Absolute 2020. I don't know if these are any better, but there's the odds. So if you want to pause, zoom in, check it out, what have you, feel free to do so. All right, so let's check out these fat packs. Then we'll rip the blasters and hope for something decent, man. My pack looks been dry, man. I mean, like really dry. My goodness, boy, did they. Man, I don't want to like just rip. There we go. Illusions fat pack. I haven't even, besides seeing other people rip them, I have not really seen them. Oh man, they are nice. Dang, those are really nice cards. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're, man, these are nice. Cam Newton off the top. Antonio Gibson, rookie. Let's get the rookies over here. Nick Bosa. Got a D-Hop. Oh, we got a Tua. Yes, please. Man, that is a nice looking. These are really nice. Again, I've seen them in videos, but man, they're fire. I mean, they did a really nice job on. I've heard some people say I don't like them. I mean, I don't know. He asked me, all packs are kind of like the same. I mean, you just have to get like really lucky, man. And that Tua pull is nice. Yeah, that's, if I can get it in there. Yeah, that's a nice one. Set that over there. You guys can't see it, but I'm sure you're more interested in what's coming out of these packs. See if some fire come out of here, huh? Nothing special about him, right? No, just regular base. Got a J.J. Watt. Justin Jefferson rookie. Oh, man. Oh, don't want to mix up those. Justin Jefferson rookie. Oh, missed one. Alvin Kamara. It's like, that's weird. It's going like one base or one veteran, one rookie. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to go like that.
Obviously, you spent a lot more time thinking about this than I have.
Lynn Bowden Jr. rookie. Cool. Saquon Barkley. Oh man, wife's gonna like that one. Hey, and a Shining Star Rogers. Now this is one of those, can't recall exactly, but like you can see through it. That's nice. It's not numbered or anything, but Aaron Rodgers. Some people like him, some people don't. I think it's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and sleeve him up, man. Actually, that's the first Aaron Rodgers card I've ever sleeved up. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Not as cool as that too, but still pretty nice. Cole Kmet, rookie. Oh man, Dak Prescott. Oh, I don't know if you guys know, I'm a big Cowboys fan. That was sad what happened to him. I mean, really sad. That's a nice card. So just blown away what by the way they look. Oh, Jerry Jeudy, huh? Rookie base. Yeah, why not? Let's go and throw him in the sleeve real quick. One of the more sought after rookies. Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't know his worth. I imagine it's not much, but oh man, I think I jacked this one up. Cool, cool. I'll set that over here. Actually, we'll just put it right here. Dalvin Cook. Dang, man. Chase Claypool. Another good rookie. I mean, I don't know if I'm just getting lucky or there's tons of these, but, you know. Hey, this dude's on fire right now. Nice. James Conner. That dude's a beast, too. Tyler Johnson, another rookie, and another A-Rod. All right. No, nothing really. I mean, some good rookies, but nothing really spectacular. Trying to look for those autos and other badass cards, which, you know, looking for the same thing as everyone else, I guess. Let's hop into this next pack of illusions. And we have make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Russell Wilson. Jake Fromm. I'll sleep him up later. Tyreek Hill. AJ Dillon. Man, these are like really good again rookies. Another Saquon Barkley. Joshua Kelly, not bad. AJ Brown. What, is he a rookie? No. Hey, that's the first time I got two veterans back to back. Must mean there's fire in this pack. Christian McCaffrey. That one looks different for some reason. Huh. Yeah. Maybe it's like a gold or something. Anyways, AJ Brown. And a Christian McCaffrey. And what's this next one? Clear Shots. Troy Aikman, huh? Numbered to nothing. Nonetheless, we'll take it. Like the Cowboys, love Cowboys, so that's cool. Yeah, those ones look different. Not anyone really sought after, but definitely different. All right, and the rest of this pack we got Marvin Jones, LaVisca Chenault Jr., Stephon Gilmore, Von Miller. Guess they're really not with Cam Akers. That's a good one. Adam Thielen, Zach Moss, and a TJ Watt. Not really with giving out those, giving out any type of autos or anything like that. I mean, I know it's just a fat pack, but still. Well, I guess these are pretty nice. Again, not numbered or anything, but clear shots like Oren Parallel. Looks nice. Troy Aikman. Little PC hit there. Keep that to the side. And on to the third and final pack of the fat packs. Oh no, I've already seen a Clyde. Is it signed? I doubt it. First off the top, rookie J.K. Dobbins. Got a Robert Edwards. Ayuk rookie. Julio Jones. Man, badass cards. Julio. A Jacob Eason. Leonard Fournette. Chase Young. Where's the fire at? Darius Slayton. a Darrington Evans, and another one of these gold parallels, I guess what they're called. J.K. Dobbins, someone decent under here? Nope. Robert Woods, and a Justin Herbert's Mystique. Oh, man.
Bazinga!
Nice. No. At least no number on that, though. Good hit there, though. Justin Herbert's Mystique. Nice. There we go. Again, some people don't like him, but no. I mean, that's alright. It's a nice card. Again, it's not like numbered or anything like auto. Man, if that had been autographed, oh shoot, I'd have been in business. We got James Morgan, rookie. Lamar, nice. Drew Lock, Henry Ruggs. Oh, wait a minute, you go up there. Henry Ruggs, Anthony McFarland Jr., Todd Gurley, Baker Mayfield, and we'll end it with a Clyde's Edwards-Helaire. So, out of the fat packs, I'll mix these up. Probably already did I? No, I did not. Out of the fat packs, we got we got some decent cards.
What? What the fuck?
You know, it didn't go as well as I hoped, but it rarely does. So, this is what you get out of the fat packs. Not bad. I mean, I don't know if I put Aaron Rodgers over there. I don't even know that he's actually worth anything. But these two right here, very cool. Just rookies though. You know, no numbered, no auto. A little unfortunate, but maybe these will have better luck in here, huh? Again, never opened these before, so let's see. Fine, one Blaster exclusive, Great Expectations memorabilia card. All right. Also look for inserted Trophy Collection Starlight, Trophy Collection Ruby, numbered to 125, Great Expectations, Clear Shots, Emerald, Living Legends, Mystique, Emerald on average, on base. Okay, I want you guys to check that out. I guess, man, I suppose you can't even get autographs in here. Unwrap, yeah. Wow. Bummer. Anyhow, it's for a minute. Check it out. See what's like. See what's good. Oh yeah, I forgot to look. How many packs? You get 36 cards per box. So, oh okay, 6 cards per pack and 6 packs. It's kind of cool. They're in there. Yeah. All right. See, you got a chunky one in here. It must be this one. Feels kind of thick. I suppose it's that one. Right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Alright, let's rip into these. See what they're all about. Chase Claypool, huh? Alright. Got a James Conner. It's a Steelers pack. A Tyler Johnson. What's this one? Brian Dawkins, Living Legend. Oh man, another Justin Herbert. Nice. Yeah, that's a cool card though, huh? Not quite as cool as that Justin Herbert though. That's nice. Even didn't have like an auto on it or something, but and a Deshaun Watson. This one ain't numbered, is it? Nope. Alright. And we'll sleeve up that Justin Herbert. Man, I'm loading up on rookies. That's good. That's what we want, man. That's what we want. Take all the Justin Herberts. Could slap me a autograph one. I wonder what that'd be like. I've pulled a lot of autos. None of like real value though. All right. Alright, so Chase Claypool and a Justin Herbert. Well, get that one in here. I don't want to mess it up. Nice. Very cool. So I got Mystique and a base. Very cool. Put that with the stuff. And on the next pack, we got a ways to go, fellas. A ways to go. You know, let me hit the vape real fast. A little bit of that phenomenon action. Stuff tastes great like candy. Like liquid candy. Alright, on to the next one if I can figure out how to open it. My goodness. That is something else. Oh, there we go. Nice and easy, huh? Alright, we got another A-Rod. With a Marvin Jones. What the? Really? Michael Pittman Jr. Look at that. Man. In the same pack, same guy. How come I can't get like two autos like that? You know, like, oh my god, they're back to back. Michael Pittman Jr., rookie. Taysom Hill, regular. Brian Edwards, rookie. Not bad, not great. Not as good as that first pack, but it's rough. It's rough out here, you know. Laviska Shenault, Stephon Gilmore, Von Miller. Anything nice about this one? A TJ Watt, Shining Star, numbered to nothing, although it is one of the green ones. Yeah, why not? I'll sleeve it up. I don't know if it's anything even remotely decent about it, other than it looks cool as shit. But no, it looks nice. No numbered though. That's the way it goes. And a Chris Carson and Josh Allen base. A lot of base cards here. Alright, on to the next pack. Oh yeah, these go pretty fast. That's alright though. Got 3 more boxes after this. Man, I'd love to see some fire, something decent. I don't even know if you can 22 decent. Alright. And OBJ. Cam Akers, rookie. Marvin Jones. Another Cam Newton. Antonio Gibson. Nick Bosa. And that's, you know, not really what we're looking for, but next one we have a James Morgan on the Jets, a Lamar Jackson, Laviska Shenault, JJ Watt, Justin Jefferson, and Alvin Kamara. And I think this one is supposed to be a hit. It is. Indeed it is. Oh, well, we saw that on the back, huh? At least I know we got a Tua coming. Let's see. Alright. Adam Thielen. Zach Moss. Rookie. And TJ Watt, and our hit's gonna be anything decent. A Jacob Eason. I've never seen these before. Hope they're better than Absolute, because those Absolute looks like shit. Is anything even decent? Oh man, and that's something, huh?
Oh, it's for the best cause, Marjorie. The cause of love. Snoogans.
What the heck is that?
What's what?
Snoogans, I believe it was.
What the fuck do you think it means? It means I'm kidding.
Just a napkin patch. Card looks phenomenal though. It's got like a nebula type look to it. Very cool, man. I don't know if you got that is nice looking, man. Not the greatest player, but now I imagine every single memorabilia one probably looks like this, huh? Great Expectations. Okay. I guess don't have great expectations when ripping packs, huh? All right. So, oh, wait a minute. Did I, oh dear. I did. Almost set that guy over there in the stack. I did get a Tua. Why couldn't that have been that? Oh, well. That'd been nice if it was a hit. No, maybe the base is better, huh? Yeah, Tua. Alright. And let's go ahead and sleeve up this. I don't know if it needs a case. I mean, it's not like it's real big here. I had great expectations, but you know. So, oh, that's my second two actually. And much like the first, we'll go ahead and put that in the top loader. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then there's this one, which looks phenomenal, but is, you know, yeah. Well, do what you can, do what you can. So just setting these over here. The other stack. Start the rookie stack over here. On to the next box. After we got one down, 3 to go, fellas. 3 to go. Sticking around. I know it's a long video, but if you like seeing what's in these packs, man, yeah, hang out. Hang out, check it out, man. See you never know, man. Fire could strike at any time. All right, let's see which one's fat, or is it maybe auto? That'd be weird, huh? Different. That must be that one. That one feels fat. Huh? You know, I'm starting to think you cannot pull autographs out of these. But only one way to find out, and that's to rip them up. So we got a Taysom Hill in the back. That secret's out of the bag, huh? Ruh-roh. The secret got out. James Conner. Tyler Johnson. Is that just a light? Yeah, it must be. Cole Kmet. Deshaun Watson. Michael Pittman Jr. They're never numbered. Taysom Hill. Oh my goodness, don't tell me. Another Aaron Rodgers. Oh my goodness. Got a lot of him. Wow. Aaron Rodgers. Marvin Jones. LaVisca Chenault. And who's going to be the Emerald? Somebody decent. Oh my goodness. A Mystique, a green one too. That's neat. A nobody. Ryan Edwards. Chris Carson. Well, I shouldn't say nobody. I mean, he is behind the one and only, the man, the myth, the legend, Sam Darnold. So why would he get any playing time? Unless I missed some and he got in somehow. Numbered 2, nothing. Mystique, green Mystique, James Morgan. Only a Jets fan would want that. Alright, moving along. Hoping for the best. I don't know why these things are so... Really isn't easy down there. 2020 Illusions. Another Stephon Gilmore. No shortage on this guy. Von Miller. Hey, Dak Prescott. Alright. That's cool. What we got over here? Josh Allen. Cam Newton. Wow. One rookie, Antonio Gibson. Yikes. And Zach Moss, rookie. TJ Watt, Jerry Jeudy. Oh, another Tua. I will take that. JJ Watt and Justin Jefferson. Man, Tuas are getting quite a few of them.
One of my best, don't you think?
Oh crap! I messed that up. Awesome. Oh, and then I jacked it up even more on the other side. Dope. Sorry, guys. You know what? Let me just pull out some, like a nice little stack. So, boy, it's really just kind of rookie hunting. Tua, and you know who I haven't seen at all is Joe Burrow, and that's nuts. I mean, it's still a ways to go, but that's weird. Sad what happened to him too. Man. He'll be back though. All right, let's continue. James Morgan, this guy's just really flying out of packs at me. Lamar Jackson. Drew Lock, anybody remotely? Antonio Gates, huh? Living Legends. Numbered to nothing. Cool. Alvin Kamara. And a Lynn Bowden Jr. And boy, these packs go fast, so man. And then this one will be the hit. Can we get something other than a napkin patch?
You have smoked yourself retarded.
I hope. 'Cause we know it ain't an auto. Yeah, let's see what we got. Two. Okay, so we got Beckham. Another, excuse me, let me rephrase that. Another Beckham. Cam Akers. And who's the hit going to be? Someone decent? Oh, you know what? Whoops. Nope, we got another card behind there. There's Adam Thielen sitting sneaky back there. Let's see if we can't slow roll this to see who we're going to get. It's going to be a KJ freaking Hamler. Who in God's green earth would want this guy? With a napkin patch. KJ Hamler, not even a rookie. Jeez, these have been just kind of disappointing. Hopkins and Nick Bosa go with the mini I already have. Oof. Those first two, I don't know if, I guess they call them hits, man. Not really, right? I mean, my goodness. Again, another beautiful card. Not the guy you want to get. Not the guy you want to get. Oh well. On the next box. Maybe this one has the fire. Man, is there anything rare you can get here? Trophy collection Ruby, huh? I think that's it. I don't know. Anyways. Let's continue. And let's pull these stack out again. Second to last box. Look for the hit. No. That one feels kind of fat. Yep. There's the other Great Expectations. I had Great Expectations. Beautiful cards, though. I mean, undeniably. Undeniably. Oh, Tom Brady. Oh. Always sleeve up Tom. Always sleeve up the GOAT, you know. It's That wasn't like some special card, but hey. Cool. CeeDee Lamb, alright. CeeDee Lamb. Another Aaron Rodgers. Oh, I was moving a little fast. Oh, no, never mind. I thought it was something, my mistake. It got me with a Keenan Allen. DK Metcalf. And Matt Ryan. Alright. And we see a Ryan Tannehill on the back. Oh, I blew that secret. Rookie, Jonathan Taylor. Jared Goff. Tyler Johnson. Darius Slayton. Darrington Evans. And a Ryan Tannehill. Ooh, this last spot's been kind of boring.
Well, I have a microphone and you don't.
So you will listen to every damn word I have to say!
Where's the heat, man? Something decent. KJ Hamler. Gabriel Davis. Carson Wentz. Wakatuma. And what's this one going to be? Some blood? No. Let's see, linebacker. TJ Watt. Astounding, huh? Nice card. You know, I thought maybe it'd be numbered. My mistake. Astounding. Nice card, though. Not really defensive players there. Not that desirable, though. Too bad that wasn't a decent hit. I mean, it is, but just not who I'm looking for. But we'll take it. Teddy Bridgewater. DeAndre Swift. Alright. Moving along. We have a Kenyon Drake. Whoa, this one looks crazy cool. Oh, this one is numbered. Rookie, Anthony McFarland. Wow. Man, that's dope looking. That's badass. First numbered card out of the whole 3 boxes. Nice. Man, I wish that would have been like my Justin Herbert. Anyhow, that's pretty cool. This one better than the hits. Oh, that's I think that's the Ruby card. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Alright, we got a Marvin Jones. Denzel Mims. Hey, Daniel Jones. Take that for life. Devin Duvernay. Alright. And moving along. See a Khalil Mack. Oh man, I messed up card. Oh man, it's a Joe Burrow. Oh man, look at that. And I didn't do that. Oh man, I finally get a Joe Burrow and look at that. It's jacked up. It's ruined. Yep. Oh, isn't that sad? I don't know if you guys could see that. Just a big bubble mark by Panini on the one Joe Burrow I get. Oh, isn't that just terrible? It's garbage. Well, Yep. It's garbage.
Hey, Bri?
Yeah? Ah! Damn it! Ah! There's glass in my eye! Oh! Son of a bitch! Ah!
Mom says dinner's at 6.